What's going on, guys? Today I got a Onewheel and we're gonna do a little unboxing video and show you exactly what it's gonna be like when you purchase your Onewheel with us. So the Onewheel is gonna come in this box, but it is not the official Onewheel box. That's just our shipping box. And here we have the Onewheel Pint. Looking good. Place it down here. All right. So this is how you're gonna get your Onewheel. Oh, would you look at that? Okay. This box comes with the user manual and the charger. I love the setup, how they packaged it. Super professional. Very happy with it. I'm gonna lightly remove these. All right, guys, here you have it. This is a full unboxing of the Onewheel. Thankfully, it comes fully assembled and it should have a little bit of charge. So we'll go ahead and turn it on.